Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about lists in Python. A list is used to store multiple values in single variable. Instead of creating many separate variables, we can store everything inside one list. Think of a list like a collection box that can hold many items together. List can store numbers, strings, boolean values or even mixed data types. Lists are written using square brackets. Basic syntax for list is list name equals to open square bracket values, close square brackets. Let's see an example. Fruits equals to apple, mango, banana. Print fruits and the output will become apple, mango, banana. Here's all fruit names are stored inside one list. Lists are very useful because they help organize data easily. Another example for this list is numbers equals to 10, 20, 30 and 40. So print numbers will give the output like 10, 20, 30 and 40. So remember a list is equals to which is used to store multiple values in a given single variable. We can store a different types of variables. In slide 2, we can see about creating and accessing a list. Now let's learn about how to create and access list elements. Example colors equals to red, blue, green. So each item in a list has an index position like a string. Just like strings, list indexing also starts from 0. Like red is equals to 0 and blue is equals to index 1, green is equals to index 2. To access an item, print colors at index 0, the output will become red. Another example for this is print colors at index 2 and the output will become green because the green index value is 2. List can also store mixed data types. Example like data equals to Harini 18 true. So print data is equals to the output will become Harini data and true. Lists are commonly used in student records, shopping apps, games, data storage, and many real world programs. As I explained in the previous example, data equals to Harini 18 and true. Here Harini will become string and 18 is a number and true is a boolean. So these are combinedly stored in a single variable. So because of this capability, list is a mixed data type. It can store mixed data type. So quick recap for this list is list store multiple values, use square brackets and support indexing. So today you learned what a list is, how to create lists and how to access lists. So keep practicing and